Hello everyone. Today's video is going to be slightly different from what we normally do. Usually we talk about some procedure and explain what goes on behind it and how you can get it done and what all you need to look out for. But today is a little bit different. It's a special day for us. Today is a 3-year anniversary of the opening of our plastic surgery center. And so we wanted to bring out a video on this topic. Today we have Dr. Venkatram also with us, and we will talk a little bit about the origin of Venkat Center, how it started, where it is now, and what we hope to do in the future. So, how did we first start? The best person to answer that would be Dr. Venkat. Dr. Venkatram, we all of us were in the Gulf before, and we came to India in 2002. Why did you want to start a center? What made you come to Bangalore, and what did you want the center to be?
This was part of a dream, and I'm so happy that we have come this far as part of a dream, which is a continuing process and a project. Starting an institute in India was in my mind since my early days as a dermatologist. So, as part of it, I had seen several centers, worked in several centers. I went abroad, went to UK, went to South Korea for hair transplantation, then other countries, various institutes, and at the end of about 13 years of traveling, in 2003, came back to India to start this. At that time, we started what was then the largest center in Bangalore, one of the largest centers in India. We started with several new treatments of which we were pioneers: hair transplantation, liposuction, dermatopathology, targeted phototherapy. And Dr. Jayashree, my wife and partner in this project, joined us as a liposuction surgeon. And it progressed over the years to include suspension method for vitiligo surgery, thread lifts, different types of lasers, various aesthetic treatments. And then starting a university recognized training course in aesthetic dermatology was a major milestone in 2012. And we have trained over 150 doctors from different parts of the world as part of this. We were always aware and committed to reasonable health care and particularly care to low income groups. So starting Shraddha Clinic was another major milestone. We have treated over 15,000 patients in that category. And then as we kept going ahead in this path, from dermatosurgery progressing to plastic surgery was a natural process. And that is where Dr. Aniket came in with his qualification in plastic surgery.
So, while the center was growing and evolving, I was doing a medical training. And to learn the best in cosmetic surgery, I went abroad for multiple fellowships in Istanbul, in Europe, in Belgium, in USA, in Dubai. And then it was a natural fit for me to come and start plastic surgery services in Venkat Sharmali. And since then, it has been renamed as Venkat Center. This was 3 years ago. It was on August 26th of 2018. And now it is 3 years later. It seems like it has gone by very quickly. And overall, what is the most satisfying aspect of having started this center and seeing how it has grown?
As I said, there are three aspects to it. One, delivering advanced skin care, aesthetic care, dermatosurgical and plastic surgical care to the patients, things which were not available elsewhere. This made us grow and well known across India and even outside, so that our fellowships not only got recognition from university but also from different societies, including American Society of Dermatosurgery, etc. Then second was helping patients at reasonable health care, which has always been again part of our vision. So Shraddha Clinic has been greatly satisfying. And finally, training young doctors. passing on the knowledge and experience that we have got, which is one of the very important duties of a doctor. That has also been very extremely satisfying. And then any center is contribution to nation building, employing many staff, taking care of them and their families, helping them. So all this has made this a very satisfying, worthwhile, and cherished experience.
So, in keeping with this trend, we are always evolving, we're always looking to add new things. And there are several pioneering things that we have added in the last 3 years. Apart from plastic surgery procedures, we have the latest advances in skin tightening with our InMode platform with microneedling. We have introduced laser treatment for snoring, laser treatment for feminine rejuvenation. These are all unique features which are not found in many other clinics, and we wanted to highlight these on this day of our anniversary. And we have also started incorporated general anesthesia procedures in our clinic, and in the future we'll be looking to expand more on that. And our aim is to develop the center, which is already an international center of repute in dermatology, to also be a center of repute in plastic surgery. And we aim to grow and incorporate all components of plastic surgery, which involves pretty much everything from head to toe, and hopefully train doctors in this field as well, and become a center of repute for both dermatology and plastic surgery.
We also have allergy clinic now. We also have other recent modalities such as regenerative treatments, etc. What all these show is our motto words: experience, ethics, expertise, which are the cornerstones of our belief, our vision. We will continue to work to achieve these over the years to come. We have a dedicated team of staff, nurses, technicians, administrative staff, dermatologists, and other specialties. So we will continue to serve the society. We will continue to help build a new, vibrant India.
Now we will hear from one of our oldest employees, Ms. Usha, who had joined us all the way back in 2004.
Hello everybody, it's me Usha, who was working since from 2004 started with the front office. Then I became a manager over here, and Venkacharmale started with the dermatology and hair transplantation, liposuction, and plastic surgery, and now ENT. So the reason why I'm having a so long travel in Venkacharmale is I just wanted to mention that there is a very good flow here, homely environment, and the management is very cooperative. They understand the staff's difficulties, whatever it is. We just go tell them. We just feel free to explain our problems. They just so try to uh, try to solve our problems in the clinic and our other matters also. That is one of the things. And the other thing is I just wanted to mention, we do have a center by name Shraddha Clinic. It is in Venkacharmala itself, where it is mentioned only for poor peoples to serve them. Because wherever we go, I have not seen the means it is specially meant for the poor peoples and all. But we do have like this, like some patients they don't have, and if they don't have much of knowledge about the skin, or they don't have so much of they can't bear so much of expenses and all. So we have the Shraddha Clinic where we treat only for 50 rupees consultation. that is in the mornings. We tell them, whoever the patients come, and we don't ask for any ID proofs or anything for that one. We just simply tell, we do have these facilities, you please come in such and such a timings, where our doctors will treat them, our doctors will treat the patients. And I'm just very much impressed with that one, because I myself like to treat the patients, to serve the patients who are very much needy. This is my motto also. That is the reason I am continuing my work, so long travel, my work is over here.
One thing I wanted to mention is that any center like Venkat Sharmalia, it is not just about the doctors, it is about all our staff. And without our staff like Ms. Usha here, the center would not be what it is. They are an important part of the whole ecosystem. The doctors are just one part of it, and we really are very thankful and indebted to people like Ms. Usha who have been with us for so long and have helped us to make Venkat Center into what it is. Thank you very much.
Thank you, doctor. Thank you very much.
This is another one of our counselors in our plastic surgery center, Ms. Kavya. She is very important in coordinating with all patients regarding their procedures, informing them what is needed before, during, and after the procedure. And she's pretty much the point of contact for all our patients.
Thank you for introducing me, sir. First of all, I have been working here from 2.5 years, where on the very first day I was given a very good exposure about the clinic and the staffs who are always here with me for each and everything. And the main thing what showed interest in working with this patients is the information given before handling each and every work in this clinic. Doctors have always supported us, and coming back to patients and speaking to the patients or counseling them and giving information before I giving things to patients, always it has been briefed to us. And every point of time, doctors have been correcting us and making us better and better every step of our career. And I always say that I'm very happy to work with the doctors like Dr. Aniket and Dr. Venkatram sir. And apart from that, we have Dr. Jayashree Venkatram, who is our liposurgeon, and we have our ENT doctor, Dr. Deeksha Rao, who has always been supporting us at every point of time. Coming back to customer service, every point, every dissatisfaction or satisfaction, anything it may be, always we have been successful in achieving it, just because we are always being kept posted about each and every post and pre-op with the patients, very much clear. And regarding the experience with the patients, it is always good with us, because which shows our feedback over our websites. And I'm very much sure that our patients had a very good experience in each and every consultation as well as procedures.
Thank you, Kavya. So our coordinators and counselors are very important to us because they are the link between the patient and the doctor. And they often help the patient with all aspects such as arranging their transport, how they will go home, how they will stay. So they are very much important for the patient care. As said before, it is not just about the doctors, it takes a whole team to make a place like Venkat Center successful. Thank you so much.
Thank you, sir.
This is our senior staff nurse, Mrs. Kalpana. She has been with us for a very long time. She is one of the most important members of our staff. She is important in hair transplantation and in all other plastic surgery procedures. And without her and our other senior nurses, our operation theatre would not be able to run the way it does.
ನಮಸ್ಕಾರ, ನನ್ನ ಹೆಸರು ಕಲ್ಪನಾ ಗೋಪಾಲಕೃಷ್ಣ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ನಾನಿಲ್ಲಿ 2004 ಇಸ್ವಿಯಿಂದ ಸ್ಟಾಫ್ ನರ್ಸ್ ಆಗಿ ಕೆಲಸ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ. ನಾನು ಯಾಕೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಕೆಲಸ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಮ್ಯಾನೇಜ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ತುಂಬ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿದೆ, ನಮಗೆ ತುಂಬ ಸಪೋರ್ಟಿವ್ ಆಗಿದೆ. ಮತ್ತು ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಬರೋ ಪೇಷಂಟ್ಸ್ಗಳು ಒಂಥರ ಮೆಂಟಲಿ ಡಿಸ್ಟರ್ಬೆನ್ಸ್ ಇರ್ಬೋದು, ಕೆಲವೊಂದು ಪೇಷಂಟ್ಗಳು ಬರ್ತಾರೆ, ಆದರೆ ಅವರೆಲ್ಲ ನಮಗೆ ನೋಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳೋಕ್ಕೆ ತುಂಬ ಖುಷಿ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಆಮೇಲೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಬಂದ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಪೇಷಂಟ್ಗಳಿಗೆ ಅಡ್ಮಿಷನ್ ಇಲ್ಲ ನಮಗೆ. ಸೊ ನಮಗೆ ಫ್ಯಾಮಿಲಿ ಬ್ಯಾಕ್ಗ್ರೌಂಡ್ ಇರೋದ್ರಿಂದ ನಮಗೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಸೇಫ್ ಆಗಿ ಕೆಲಸ ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದು. ಮತ್ತು ಇಲ್ಲಿರ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥ ಮ್ಯಾನೇಜ್ಮೆಂಟಲ್ಲಿ ಇರುವಂಥ ಡಾಕ್ಟರ್ಸ್ ಅವರೆಲ್ಲ ನಮಗೆ ತುಂಬ ಸಪೋರ್ಟಿವ್ ಆಗಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಅದಕ್ಕೋಸ್ಕರ ನಾವು ಇಲ್ಲಿನೇ ತುಂಬ ದಿವಸದಿಂದ ಕೆಲಸ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಬರೋದು ಯೂಶಲ್ ಆಗಿ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ನಮಗೆ ಸರ್ಜರಿ ಪೇಷಂಟ್ಗಳು ನಾವು ನೋಡ್ತೀವಿ. ಏರ್ ಟ್ರಾನ್ಸ್ಪ್ಲಾಂಟೇಷನು ಮತ್ತು ಲೈಪೋಸೆಕ್ಷನ್, ಅದೇ ಥರ ಪ್ಲಾಸ್ಟಿಕ್ ಸರ್ಜರಿ ಪೇಷಂಟ್ಗಳು ಬರ್ತಾರೆ. ನಾವು ಸರ್ಜರಿ ಎಲ್ಲ ಆದಮೇಲೆ ಅವ್ರಿಗೆ ಒಳ್ಳೆ ಇನ್ಫಾರ್ಮೇಷನ್ ಕೊಡ್ತೀವಿ, ಅವ್ರನ್ನ ಮುಂದೆ ಹೆಂಗೆ ನೋಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಬೇಕು ಏನು ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನಾವು ತುಂಬ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿ ಕೇರ್ ತೊಗೊಳ್ತೀವಿ, ಪೇಷಂಟು ಖುಷಿ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ನಮ್ಗೆ ನಾವು ಕೇರ್ ತೊಗೊಳೋದು ನೋಡ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು. ಆಮೇಲೆ ಅವ್ರಿಗೆ ಫಾಲೋಅಪ್ಗೆಲ್ಲ ಕರಿತೀವಿ ನಾವು ರೆಗ್ಯುಲರ್ ಆಗಿ, ಅವ್ರಿಗೆ ರಿಸಲ್ಟ್ ಬರೋವರೆಗೂ ನಾವು ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿ ನೋಡ್ಕೊಳ್ತಾ ಇದ್ವಿ, ಫಾಲೋಅಪ್ಗೆಲ್ಲ ಕರಿತೀವಿ.
Without our nurses, we cannot do what we do. Apart from the doctor might do the actual procedure, but the nurse is one who actually looks after the patient and they help the patient during the surgical journey and help them heal and recover from the procedure. So they are very, very important to us. Thank you.
ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು ಸರ್.
One final point is, over the last couple of years, we have taken it on ourselves to educate the masses through our YouTube channel, through our social media, and we are very overwhelmed by the response that we have seen. We have had a lot of patients who come into our clinic saying that they have seen the videos and they have felt more informed about their condition or about the procedure that they want, and that has helped them to take a better decision, and that makes us very happy. So our aim is to always educate our patients and enable them to take an informed decision about their health, and we will continue to do that. Thank you for all your support. Do subscribe to our channel. Do visit our website if you have any queries. You can leave any comments below on any questions that you might have. Thank you. Have a great day.